This 5-mark PSLE 2017 math question stumped many students. Try it yourself before we take it apart. Welcome to SmartPathSG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. Let's read the question together. Mina has a triangular piece of paper ABC with BA equals BC, angle ABC equals 84 degrees, and angle CDE equals 67 degrees. ADC and BEC are straight lines. She folds the paper along the line DE, as shown below. A. Find angle X. B. Find angle Y. How did you do? We need to first understand what folding does, because everything else depends on it. Folding is a reflection in the crease DE. Paper doesn't stretch, so every angle inside the flap is copied exactly. It just lands somewhere new on the page. With folding understood, ask these two questions before any calculation. 1. Is the unknown a folded copy of something? If it is, go back to the before picture and find the original instead. That's how we'll solve angle X. 2. If it isn't, what shape does it sit in? And what properties we know about the shape that can help us solve for the unknown angle? And that's how we'll solve angle Y. Let's first look at where angle X sits. It's at E, between the crease ED and the folded edge EC prime. Before the fold, that same angle was angle DEC, the angle at E inside triangle CDE. Folding just carried it across the crease unchanged. So the question find angle X is really the question find angle DEC, and that's an ordinary triangle problem. Step 1, we rewrite the question. Angle X equals angle DEC, because reflections don't change the size of an angle. Step 2, find angle DCE. Since BA equals BC, triangle ABC is isosceles, so its base angles are equal. 180 minus 84 divided by 2 is 48 degrees. D lies on AC, so angle DCE is that same 48. Step 3, angle sum of triangle CDE. 180 minus known angles, 48 and 67, gives angle DEC as 65 degrees. Step 4, carry it back across the fold. Angle X equals angle DEC equals 65 degrees. Next, let's look at where angle Y sits. The folded edge DC prime crosses edge AB, and the exam paper doesn't give that crossing point a name, so mark it in yourself and call it F. Now angle Y is angle AFD, an angle inside triangle ADF. In that triangle, we already know angle DAF, because it's just the original base angle at A 48 degrees, untouched by the fold. So there's exactly one missing piece, angle C prime DA. Find that, and angle Y is solved. Step 1, name the triangle. Angle Y is angle AFD inside triangle ADF, where F is the crossing point we marked. Step 2, angle DAF is already known, the original base angle at A 48 degrees. Step 3, unlock angle C prime DA. ADC is a straight line, so the angles at D add to 180. Turning from DC round to DA, you pass through two equal 67 degree angles, angle CDE and angle EDC prime, its mirror image, because the fold copied it across the crease. So angle C prime DA is 180 minus 67, which is 46 degrees. Step 4, angle sum of triangle ADF. 180 minus 48 minus 46 gives angle Y equals 86 degrees. So why is this question hard? It requires you to reason through 4 skills without a prompt. Isosceles base angles, the angle sum of a triangle, angles on a straight line, and recognizing what a fold preserves. Lastly, putting all together. In part A, angle X is angle DEC folded over. Go back to the before picture and it becomes an ordinary triangle. In part B, angle Y is in triangle ADF, and once you have angle C prime DA, it is solved. And a useful habit to keep. Whenever a folded edge crosses another edge without a labeled point there, mark that crossing yourself and give it a letter. You cannot name the triangle your unknown sits in until its corners have names. Thanks for watching. Head over to SmartPathSG.com to play our free PSLE practice game, or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.